Vitamin D, we like vitamin D. Vitamin D, vitamin D is good for you.
The sun's doing all my rolling today.
Yeah.
Recovery is key, people. Protein shake on a sunny day is key to success.
Okay, so if you lose, you have to get in the pool.
You can't spray your perfume for a whole day.
Yes. Charlie? Oh, good edge you. Oh. Oh.
What's that?
No.
I'll be watching you. Smelling you.
Like every piece of perfume.
No, I said no perfume for 24 hours.
Can I spray deodorant?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
I don't want BO in the room.
Yeah.
There were some good games though.
There's some switches, high toe, high toe, high toe, high toe. So can you get a move your feet?
Yeah! The nice house.
Yeah, she's protecting her line. Very good. Yeah.
Go on, Has. Go on, Has. Go on,
Too
Has.
big.
Game, Has.
Covers the ground. Yeah, I do.
Oh, Has. Oh. She's committed.
Oh.
Touch!
When are you going to go, Fee?
No,
Love it.
no! You.
No, I'm not quite sure. Love it, Has. Love it, Has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like a bit of
Just run speed.
A bit more effort like it.
Good movement. Excellent, Fionn. Good. Good. Get the tempo now. You must both be in the top box. Time your run appropriately. Good. Red ball, play. 2, 3, combine quick. Good. Forward boost. Good.
Oh God.
Can we do all of it?
You just said 2.
Yes, Luke. Good. Reds are having it. Good. 2. Cleaner and quicker.
I'm stepping into the space, so it's got to be in front of me, and I want it to be a grass cut. Okay, use your laces if you can, as opposed to punch side foot. The lines. Oh, sorry, 2 in a row.
Get a teammate like Rachel Rowe. Like vitamin D, vitamin D. It's good for your skin. Vitamin D, good for your bones.